Hi guys, it's Brendan Williams, the King of Lionel Dub AV at YouTube, and we have 4 more Pokemon packs. Plasma Freeze will be the first one. Let me just check it out. I'm just going to check them out. So can we get something good? Howard, Timber, Finian, Pikachu, Leedian, and a Rhyperior. Solrock and Volbeat. Next pack. Leba, Staryu, Doodle, Dugtrio, and a Yveltal. I don't know how to pronounce it. Third to last pack. Whismur, Murkrow, Fletching, Helioptile, Finneon, Renanat, and a Yanmega, Golbat, and a Wobbuffet, and a Lysandre. And last pack of this opening. We got Chinchou, Sneasel, Whopper, Dratini, Ponard, Trico, Beedrill, Plasm Badge, Kakuna, and Zridulus. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below. Tell me what you think.